Hello everyone. After creating my first dashboard in Tableau and also after getting amazing responses for the same, here I am with yet another dashboard, but this time using Power BI. So let's quickly have a walkthrough of my bank dashboard. So I started making my dashboard by mapping the three scorecards, namely total customers, total balance, and the top customer. Here, the top customer is the person who is having the highest balance amount in his or her account in our bank. So, I have started by listing out the distribution by region using a filled map. Next, I have used 3 bar charts for namely new customers by month, balance distribution of the respective customers, and the age distribution of those customers. Also, I have used a pie chart for the gender split and a tree map for classification of job. Now, since my dashboard is dynamic in nature, we can click here and see the respective insights. So, for example, if we want to know the information of the customers who are situated in the region Scotland, we'll just click on it and see the dashboard changing accordingly. So here, from the dashboard, we can analyze that the total customers in the region Scotland are 1124, which is approximately 26% of the bank's customer. And also the total balance is 44 million. Here the top customer is Connor North. That is, he's having the highest amount in balance. Next, if we see the graph of new customers by month, we come to know that between April and May, there is a major spike. So, which means that the bank must have initiated a particular scheme, which is the reason the new customers are creating their bank accounts in our bank. Similarly, for the balance distribution, we can see that the customers and the balance groups are inversely proportional to each other. That is, if the number of customers are high, the balance is lesser. And if the balance is high, the number of customers is less. That is, we can analyze from this that the people are not having much balance in their accounts. Next, the age distribution we can see here is mostly from the group of 45 to 55. Majority of the people are from the age group of 45 to 55. And in the gender split, we can see that there are more number of males, that is approximately 72%, than the females, that are approximately 29%. Now, the job classification, we can see here that the blue collar jobs are more compared to the white collars and the other. So the blue collar job here, that is the low paying jobs, is 48.40%. Whereas the white collar jobs is approximately only 8%. So from here we can analyze that the balance distribution that we analyzed was correct. That more number of people have less balance and less number of people have more balance because of the blue collar jobs in Scotland. Now, let's analyze for the region, let's say England. So let's click on England. And we can see the graph changing again. So over here, for the total customers, there are 2159, which can be calculated as approximately 50% of the total customers in our bank. And the balance is also quite high, which is really good, which is 85 million. The top customer here is Dorothy Jackson. Now, for the new customers by month, it has been observed that as compared to Scotland, there are more people enrolling, that is creating their accounts in a bank in the month of April than in May. In May, there is seen quite a decrease. Also, from the month of October till December, there is a flat growth. It is quite consistent. Next, for the balance distribution, again, there is an inverse proportion between customers and the balance group. But here we can analyze that as compared to the region Scotland, in England, there are a little more number of people that are having more balance in their account. Also, in the age distribution, there are the more number of people are there in the age groups between 30 to 40. So these are the more number of people between these age groups. So the bank must initiate the respective schemes for the people in this age group. For the gender split, it's quite evident from the graph that it's quite equal, which is approximately 50% male and 50% women. Next, for the job classification, we can clearly see that there are approximately 70% white collar jobs for the people, and blue collar jobs is approximately 16%, and the other jobs is 15%. So from here, we can analyze that since there are high paying jobs, more number of high paying jobs, there are a little more number of people that are having more balance in our bank as compared to that of Scotland. So this is the way we can analyze for the rest of the two regions, that is Wales and Northern Ireland. To go back to our original dashboard, we can just click on the same state and here we go. Also, I have listed down a slicer by the date filters. So for instance, if I want to know the information of the customers from, let's say, 4th March 2020 till 21st October 2020, let's wait for the dashboard to load. Here it is. Okay, so this is the changes that we have observed. The total customers now from 4th March till 21st October 2020 are 2654, and the total balance of those customers are 107 million. The top customer again over here is Dorothy Jackson. From here we can analyze that there is quite a lot number of customers creating their accounts in the month of May. Then it has dropped in June for some reason, and then again it has spiked in July, maintaining the consistency till August, and then seeing a growth in September, but then for some reason saw a decrease in October. Furthermore, for the balance distribution, there is again an inverse proportionality between the number of customers and the balance group. For the age distribution, we can see from the graph that the people ranging from the age groups of 30 till 40 are more. Also, there are people ranging from the age groups of 40 to 45. And now, from the gender split pie chart, we can analyze that there are approximately 45.67 female and 54.33% male. From the job classification, we can analyze that there are more number of white collar jobs again over here in this range, that is 48.34%, and the blue collar approximately 27%. The other jobs is at 25.28%. So this is the way we can analyze our data. We can just scroll this and get back to our original dashboard. So here it is. So this is how we can play around with the data, with the dashboard, and get the respective insights for the same. Thank you.